In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive and share them with others. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently uploading and sharing your files. Let's get started. First, head over to your Google Drive account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself at your Drive's homepage, which is where you'll be doing all your file management. Now, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice a bold, colorful button labeled New. This is your starting point for uploading files. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Now, if you're looking to upload individual files, choose File Upload. However, if you're planning to move an entire folder from your computer to Google Drive, select Folder Upload. After making your choice, you'll need to navigate through your computer's files to choose what you wish to upload. Browse through your directories until you locate the file or folder you want. Once found, click on it and then hit Open. At this point, your selected file or folder will begin uploading to Google Drive. Note that the time it takes for your upload to complete will vary depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, so patience may be required for larger items. Once your upload is complete, it's time to focus on sharing. Sharing is where the collaborative power of Google Drive truly shines. Locate the file you've just uploaded on your Drive homepage. Hover over it and right-click to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, select Share. This will open up a new window where you can manage the sharing settings of your file. Here, you'll notice a button that reads Copy Link. When you click on this, Google Drive will generate a shareable link. This link can be sent to anyone you wish to give access to the file. Simply paste this link into an email, a text message, or any other form of communication you're using. Send it to your desired recipients, and they'll be able to view or edit the file depending on the permissions you set. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Google Drive and shared it. This seamless process is perfect for when you need to collaborate with colleagues, share memories with friends, or simply store your personal files in the cloud. Remember, the more you practice these steps, the more second nature they'll become. Happy sharing! And stay tuned for more tips on using Google products to their fullest potential.